everyone. I am Rian Enzo Arantinges. And I'm here to solve the equation of parabola. So for y minus 7 squared equals negative 12x. So ang magiging vertex niya is 0 since x po yung nandito, kaya 0 lang po siya. And sa y po is positive 7. After that po, we need to find the a. So ang gagawin po natin dyan is negative 4a over negative 4 equal to negative 12 over negative 4. Cancel po natin ito, then negative 12 for divided by negative 4 is equal to 3. And next po is nahanapin po natin yung 2a. Ang gagawin po natin dyan is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. After that po, we need to find the focus po. Para po mahanap yung focus, magbibilang po tayo ng 3 to the left po. 1, 2, 3. And yung focus niya po is magiging negative 3 and positive 7. After po niyan, ay hanapin na po natin yung directrix x. Para po mahanap yung directrix x, magbibilang po tayo to the right naman po. Mula po dito sa 7. 1, 2, 3. Bali, ang magiging directrix x niya po is 3. And next po niya, ay hanapin po natin yung lactus rectum niya. Ang gagawin po natin para mahanap po yun ay magbibilang po tayo up and down po ng 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, ikaw ulit na po natin. And magiging ang lactus rectum was po natin is negative 3 and 13. Tapos yung isa po is negative 3 and positive 1. Ang axis symmetry niya naman po is 7. Para pumanap yung length of lactus rectum is bibilangan po natin yung nagbibilangan. Bali ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bali po, ang length of lactus rectum po niya is 12. And this is the end of my presentation.